Simple past regular verbs ed ending t sound. If the verb ends in a voiceless sound, the ed will be pronounced t. The voiceless sounds are produced by pushing the air out, like k, p, s, sh, ch, x, f. For example, work, worked. I worked very hard yesterday. Help, helped. I helped my mom last week. Kiss, kissed. I kissed my children this morning. Finish, finished. I finished my homework today. Watch, watched. I watched the movie last night. Mix, mixed. I mixed all the ingredients for the cake. Cough, coughed. I coughed a lot today.